Hey folks, got stale bread lying around? Don't toss it. Dive into the heartwarming tradition of country bread pudding. Today, I'm sharing Grandma's secret to turning leftovers into pure comfort. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9x 13-inch baking dish. Now grab around 6 cups of stale bread, cubed. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, 3 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Want a little extra spice? Toss in some nutmeg. Next, add your cubed bread and a cup of raisins to the mixture. Give it a gentle toss, and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the bread to soak up all that delicious custard. Once the bread has soaked, pour the mixture into your prepared baking dish. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of melted butter over the top. Pop it in the oven and bake for 45 to 55 minutes. You'll know it's done when the top is golden brown and a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool slightly before serving. The result? A golden, comforting bread pudding that's bursting with flavor. Imagine the aroma of warm cinnamon filling your kitchen. Pure magic. So next time you have leftover bread, remember this recipe. It's more than just a dessert. It's a hug in a dish, straight from the country kitchen. Give it a try and bring a little bit of rustic charm to your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy recipes. Happy baking!